In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious protein pancakes. And here's the key. Don't use protein powder. Cooking protein powder just tastes like rubber. It's disgusting. But then what the problem is normal pancakes are just terrible. You look at this, like 300 calories, it's about 60 grams of carbs, 4 grams of protein, no fat. So these are terrible as well. What we're going to do is we're going to make some majestic protein pancakes. We are going to use Greek yogurt, a little bit of self-raising flour, and 1 egg. It is going to be delicious. The first thing you need to do is to put the pan on a very low heat. So you just want to put that on and get it on a very low heat. The first thing that you do, because this is not going to take any time at all, but you need a low heat to get them to cook well, because obviously you've got a raw egg in it. Let's get into it. Okay, first things first, we're going to crack 1 egg into the butter. Here it is, a little bit of yolk. Then we take our Greek yogurt and try and not waste too much. All of it in there. Okay, next up we're going to give that a stir and make sure that we work the entire yolk in. You could probably use a fork if you wanted to, and you just want to keep it going until it is one consistent color. Next up, we're going to add 40 grams of self-raising flour. You could use normal flour and some baking soda, so this is about 1/3 of a cup. That's 40 grams, and you're just going to work that into quite a thick batter. You could sift it in if you wanted to, but I prefer to just kind of lump it in because I'm lazy. Once you've got that into a nice consistent batter, you're just going to make yourself 4 pretty big dollops on the pan. So this is the pan that was already hot with a little bit of olive oil. Okay, so after 5 minutes, you'll notice that the sides are starting to firm up and you'll be getting some bubbles in the middle. And you want to wait until you get quite a few of these bubbles, because that's kind of the sign that they are firming up. So just have a look. Let's hope this comes away. Not bad. Well, that one's a bit stuck. Fail. Okay, now that's another 3 or 4 minutes, and I'm just going to give them one final flip to make them look pretty. There you go. Okay, and that's us. So, let's see how we go. Not too shabby. And personally, I don't think pancakes are pancakes without just a little bit of maple syrup. Okay, so there you have it. They are some of the best damn protein pancakes on the planet. Now, let me tell you a little bit about them. So basically, they are 297 calories. They have 26 grams of protein. So the protein is coming from the Greek yogurt and the egg white. And they have about 38 grams of carbs and 5 grams of fat. So if you wanted more fat and fewer carbs, you could dial down the flour a little bit and use like full fat Greek yogurt. But you know, when you take the flour too low, it kind of ruins the pancake. So you got to be careful. They're great macros. It's just so delicious. It's so filling. I can tell that they're good because my kids will eat these pancakes and they will not touch a protein powder pancake with a barge pole. If you want to add some micronutrient goodness, you would go with berries. You can add a bit of Greek yogurt. I love maple syrup, but they are just delicious. Whether it's breakfast or dessert, they get about, that 25 grams of protein is what you need to really kind of max out muscle protein synthesis, unless you're very big. So, they're just a banging pancake. I think that's just a wonderful lesson in terms of, there is a magic little gap between the thing that's good for you, the thing that tastes nice, and the pancake that is just the perfect marriage of those two things. Because when you are trying to lose weight, you need to grind this stuff off for a while, and that is a killer pancake. Hope you enjoyed that. I'm gonna eat these now.
If you enjoyed this video, make sure you jump on the email list and get our 5 simple strategies to start losing weight cheat sheet.